Hey, Wheel Snipe Seller here. It is Monday, November 21st. We are in the AM session. We just had buy side liquidity. It just took that around, I think, 39.62 area. And we have displacement. We have a break in market structure. And we're about to trade up into this 1 minute fair value gap. So this trade, looks good. In my opinion, I'm overall bearish for the day. So we're tagged in, and I have my stop at the top of that 1 hour fair value gap, and it ends up just tapping me out. So overall, I think the trade was fine. I think I may have just been a little bit too early, but looking at I do end up trying to, I had conviction that this was going to go down to the 39.48. So I actually logged into my my AMP account to try and get an entry here. But I think I did everything right here. Just happened to take a loss, and that's just how it works sometimes. But you can see here, we do create another 1 minute fair value gap right around 39.64. And so I actually logged into my AMP account and placed an order and wanted to just go towards the swing lows and just did one micro. So so I'm basically waiting. So since it took that low out, that swing low, and didn't come back into that fair value gap, I end up canceling the trade. And it doesn't come back up in there, so I basically wouldn't have been tagged out unless I went down into a 30-second or took like a close proximity trade, but it ends up going down to the target. So here we are in the PM session, and I basically watched it go down into an old fair value gap and took the lows. So I'm looking for this to go up and finish taking out the highs. And so you can see that I'm tagged in. I have my target here, and I end up getting stopped out on this one. There was a 1 minute and a 5 minute fair value gap, and this was just a play towards the buy side right around 39.70. So it ended up taking me out, and I basically breached the trailing stop loss. So that will end the top step attempt number 2, and I will go into the account review. All right, so here we are, account review. The highest I made at this attempt was 1,236 and 60 cents out of that 3,000. Just some overall thoughts from this one. I had about 23 trading days here. You can see my equity curve. I just kind of peaked and then just slowly kind of lost it. There were a few Fridays that I really kind of wrecked myself, and I was doing some emotional trading. So that's something that I want to work on. I don't think I'm going to go right back into another challenge right away. I feel like I think it's $165 a month, and I feel like that pressure of trying to trade more than I need to, because I'm kind of spending money each day to actually participate in this trading combine. So my plan right now is to take the rest of the year, continue to study ICT. I'll do some paper trades, so I'll probably post some trades. I do have an AMP, a live AMP account, and I may try to do just like a one micro contract, just to kind of. There's one of the ICT talks, one of the shotgun sessions where he, kind of goes into saying that, you know, it's a whole different ball game once there's live funds on the line. But with that, there's no kind of monthly fee that you know, I just kind of felt pressured with that. So I'll plan on, you know, going through. I went through the ICT 2022 mentorship. I will be posting. I've been kind of taking screenshots, getting slide decks. So I'll be adding that to my YouTube. So keep an eye out for that. And just kind of going through each one, taking notes. I'll be going and doing some back testing, and I'm just going to take this, you know, next, I guess month and 2 weeks. I will probably kick off another trading combine in early January. So just going to kind of do some studying. It doesn't seem like ICT doesn't really trade a whole bunch during the holidays. I think it's slower. Could be lower volatility, but so I'll just kind of take that time to study and get back with another attempt early next year. Like I said, look for I'll be doing some paper trades. I might try to do a couple small low risk trades with a S&P mini contract, just one contract. So we'll kind of go from there. But yeah, thanks for watching.